Hi friends, today I am discussing Dr. Reddy Laboratories chart. I have seen a flag pattern here. Flag patterns are very good patterns. Once they break the upper circuit, we can see next all-time highs. You see here, there is a flag pattern, a small flag pattern, a range of 100 days, 70 bars. It tried to break the upper circuit for almost 5 times and broke it at the 6th time. Similarly, you see there is another range here, a much wider range from almost 4135 to 5500, almost 1500 points range. And Dr. Reddy Laboratories in this range for an average of 240 days, almost 162 bars, right? And you are clearly seeing Dr. Reddy broke the trend line at point number 3 in this range, and we are expecting it to come down till the next support level, that is 4600 average. So we are suggesting to buy 4800 PE. Okay, let's go to Kite app. You see, Dr. Reddy's May expiry 4800 PE is at 39 rupees 85 paise. We take it average 40 rupees. So that equals to the lot size of Dr. Reddy Laboratories is 125 into 40 rupees equals to 5000 rupees. So your investment here is 5000 rupees. Based on this analysis, we can make different strategies. That is, we can short futures. So the future price is at 5224. The spot price of Dr. Reddy share is 5196. So there is an average difference of 28 rupees premium, right? So to take one position, we have to invest 1,21,000 for shorting Dr. Reddy Laboratory. So let's see the risk reward ratio. As per our analysis, if we short at 5224 and at the point there we arrive 4800, we get a profit of 400 points. That is, we sell at 5224 and we buy back at 4800. As if our analysis goes right and Dr. Reddy's falls down to this next support level 4650. So 400 points into 125 equals to 50,000 rupees, right? Now check the investment and the return. Simple. 50,000 divided by 21 average. You get average 41% as return. One thing to remember is in futures, you have to offer 1,21,000 as margin amount. Once you have taken the position, Dr. Reddy's comes down where you are getting into profit. So M to M, every day market to market profit will be added back to your account. But if suddenly Dr. Reddy's take U-turn and increases its price value, then you are going to lose. Then based on M to M, market to market daily basis, loss will be deducted from your wallet account. You should have sufficient balance. If you don't have sufficient balance, your account, your position will be automatically closed. So keep in mind when you're doing with futures. Futures are high risky. Okay. Next, uh, we can do with the options, how it works. In options, here we're taking 5000 as investment. and taking a position of 4,800 put option. If our guess goes market comes down to 4,800, it will be traded at a value, realistic value of 120 rupees or 100 rupees. Even if it trades at 100 rupees, you get a profit of 60 rupees, right? So 60 into 125 equals to 7,500. Now check it. 7,500 divided by 5,000 is our investment. That equals to into 100, 150 times, almost triple. Very short amount, and your amount getting doubled. Okay, so what if our analysis goes wrong and Dr. Reddy starts to move up trend? We keep stop loss at 50% of what we buy. If we buy at 40 rupees, we keep a strict stop loss at 20 rupees. We exit our position. That's it. And the reason why I choose 4,800 is Dr. Reddy's Dr. Reddy Laboratory option chain. When I check, it is purely based on open interest. You see, there is a highest open interest at 5,000. Yeah, you see here number 7,326 contracts. Next highest open interest is 3,380. Check the numbers in uptrend. Okay, after 5,000, if you get back 4,800 highest, and you also check this column is about change in open interest. If it is addition plus, if it is reduced contacts minus, you see here minus 40, you see here plus 262, plus 14, plus 97, plus 130, 168. Even at 5,100, 168. Even at 5,000, it is 228. The highest number of contracts increased or open interest increased is at 4,800. So we will not face any liquidity issue here if we want to exit at our strict stop loss of 20 rupees. That is the reason to choose 4,800 as a strike price, and 40 rupees comes to an amount of 5,000 investment. So hope you understand the analysis. This is only for education purpose. I am not a SEBI registered qualified advisor. Thank you.